Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in. Bill Bradley.
Taurus. So as I was shuffling and pulling your cards, I channeled a few messages. So I'm going to go ahead and say those to you. And then after that, we'll get right into your cards. So I see orange, yellow, purple, an orange bird. An actual orange bird came to my window. Okay, you guys? So it came to my window and I have pictures, okay? I see scenario, get away, all day, all night, selling away, private getaway. You're free. You're finally sitting on top, calming, mountains, ET, moving fast towards you. Let's get into your cards. The World card. You have come full circle, celebrating successful completion, important project or phase, close on chapter, opening another. So Taurus, you are either celebrating or you're gonna be celebrating, okay? I feel like the world was on your shoulders, okay? But you've come full circle. The world is a circle. So you've come full circle and you got the world card. Because I feel like you've been believing more in the Lord or whomever your person that you believe in. You're being very successful with completing things. You're working on an important project, or you are working on an important phase of your life. You have closed a chapter that is no longer serving you so that you could open up another chapter. Okay? I feel like you were at war with someone, or someone felt like you were at war with them, or you were at war with yourself, but you've closed that chapter. And now you're opened up to the world. Okay? The Garnet Stone, higher thinking, self-empowerment, strength, safety, prosperity, abundance. I feel that you are thinking at a higher level. I feel that you are empowering yourself. I feel like your strength is at an all-time high. You're feeling safe. Prosperity is overwhelming or will be overwhelming. Abundance is near. It's going to be flowing just like water, baby. I guarantee it. You're no longer in this net, okay? You closed off that chapter of being in a net, trapped, feeling unsafe. You have the High Priestess in reverse. So it says you have let go of your ego, okay? You let go of fear. You started trusting more, trusting your intuition, and listening to your inner voice. Congratulations, okay, Taurus? Congratulations. You on a high level, baby. Maybe you do some type of readings, or maybe you're a tarot reader or a priest. Are you resisting knowing that you're a priest? All I know is you have let go of that ego, honey. You let go of that fear. You're trusting yourself. You're trusting your intuition. You're listening to your inner voice. We're not going to dwell on anything else but that. Period out of a period. Okay, Taurus? I love you. Let's go. Malachite. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce it correct, okay? Balance, abundance, transformation, energy cleaning. I feel like you basically closed off that chapter of being malice, of having lack. Now you're at a higher level in balancing yourself. You're either at a higher level in abundance, or you will be reaching a higher level of abundance. because of the transformation that you've made and you cleansed your energy. That's why you self-empowerment. That's why you're empowering yourself. That's why you have a higher thinking, is because your energy is cleansed. Abundance is here twice. So abundance is coming or has came. Let's go, Taurus. I love it. You drop the lane. As soon as you drop that lane, now you're out of whack. Now you're feeling high thinking, high strength, high prosperity, high abundance. You like to dance, or you need to dance. You've gotten into formation. Either you've been cleaning up your act, your ways, your soul, your mind, your body, spirit. Hey, you've been cleaning your energy. Yeah. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. I just started singing out of nowhere. I'm sorry, Taurus. It says rose quartz, broken heart, self-resentment, anger, calmness, inner peace. Roses might be significant to you, Taurus. A rose? You serious about your art, honey. You closed off that phase of feeling brokenhearted, feeling self-resistant, self-resentment, excuse me. And now you're feeling self-empowerment because you've closed off that phase and opened up your heart. Like a rose growing, how it opens up. It has all those layers of beautiful, soft, complex meanings. You're no longer angry. You're no longer angry. You are high in your empowerment, baby. You are high in strength, safety, prosperity, abundance. Twice. How can you? I do apologize, Taurus. My phone went out, okay? But where we left off was you're no longer angry, okay? You're calm, okay? You have inner peace, okay? Stay like that, Taurus. Stay just like that, baby. So that was the getting to the basis deck. The next deck that we have, let me just light my little Palo Santo, okay? So I can get myself that grounded. I want to be grounded while I'm doing your reading. Want to be grounded. I like to be, hey, maybe y'all singing or something. Somebody's singing. I don't know. I'm singing. I love you, Taurus. Okay? All right. I got my Palo Santo in me. Okay. All right. Palo Santo, Palo Santo, Palo Santo. All right. So the next deck that we're going to be doing is, what is your purpose, Taurus? What is your purpose? Country music. Okay? So either you like country music, you thought about it. If you not, or if you have not, you need to. Just try it out, baby. Try it out. It says attorney. So either you are an attorney, you want to be an attorney, or you're seeing an attorney. Poetry. Poetry. So either you do poetry, you like poetry, you want to do poetry, you want to try poetry, or you should try writing poetry. It says software developer, okay? So either you're a software developer, you're dealing with someone that's a software developer, you are thinking about being a software developer, maybe you're thinking about developing a software, and you have to seek out a software developer for this particular project. Okay? It says public. So maybe you are a public speaker. Maybe you do public speaking. Maybe you're thinking about doing public speaking. Maybe you've been out a lot more in the public. Okay? Maybe you need to get out more in the public so you can get in touch with your softer side. Get with your softer side and stop being at war with yourself or being at war with the public. Okay, Taurus, take it how it resonates. The next deck is the truth. It says Lamas. Lamas. August 1st or August 2nd might be significant. The number 67 or the year 76 might be significant. The colors orange, yellow, brown, and green. Okay, so when I channeled, I said orange, yellow. Come on now, okay. Brown, green, okay. Money is coming, baby. Abundance, abundance, green, okay. It says that you're a chameleon. You're a chameleon. You're adaptable, you're a chameleon. Whatever you're doing, whatever you've taken on, you're a chameleon. So poetry, country music, attorney, software developer, public speaker, you have all those traits to do all of those things, Taurus. It says mamas. So maybe you're thinking about being a mom or you are a mom. Sam. Someone named Sam might be significant. Emerald, green, good luck. What? I feel like you have high hopes. These apples that you're pulling from your tree, that you watch, you have planted the seeds, the apples have grown, okay? You're gaining. Maybe it's raining around you, Taurus, or it's gonna rain. Or grains, maybe you need to eat oatmeal or you like oatmeal or you eat oatmeal, okay? As I'm looking up right now, I see 2 rainbows. 2 rainbows. Okay? You probably want to go to the mall. You need to go to the mall. With this abundance that's coming up, you probably gonna go shopping at the mall. Okay. Pastel yellow. Same thing I just said. Optimism, spiritual awareness. So you are aware of your past, which makes you optimistic about the future. The future is yellow. The future is the sun. You looking towards the sun. You're not looking towards the past. You looking towards the sun. You being optimistic about awareness, about your spirituality. Because your spirituality warns you about your past. That's why you've opted in to go towards the sun and say, hello, mellow, hello, I am mellow. Call me yellow. Okay? Taurus, the number 23 or the number 32 might be significant. You have Aquarius, Taurus. So either Taurus, you have Aquarius placements. Either Aquarius is inquiring about you. Okay? I say air. Maybe this Aquarius is an heir to something. The year 84 or the number 48 might be significant. It says this person is reserved, very deep thinkers, excellent problem solvers, loves to help others. They value their freedom, okay? Just like you. That's why that bird came up. That's why the bird came to my window. Right before I was pulling your cards. An orange bird came to my window. I feel like that's that Aquarius. Or that's God sending you a sign, sending me a sign, sending the sign for you. that you're free. Value your freedom. Somebody ran out on you, so enjoy that. That's freedom, baby. You've been having a long time. You've been watching your temper, fixing your mental. You're not being a fool anymore, Taurus. It's okay, baby. What you need, Papa?
Is this an I or an L?
Let me see.
Right next to the P.
An L, a capital L would look like that, right? How you did it here, right?
Yeah.
So that's not a capital L. What is that?
I.
Okay, baby.
That's all.
You're welcome. I'm not apologizing about my baby, but that was my baby. Now I'm reading y'all reading, but at the end of the day, it's about my baby, period. Okay? Okay, so Aries popped up. Fire. Okay? So maybe you have Aries placements, Taurus, or an Aries is inquiring about you, or you're just picking up on Aries, just things that Aries do. You're picking up on their characteristics. Okay? Maybe you're being a quick thinker. Okay? You're a born leader. Okay? Active, brave, competitive, efficient, energetic. Okay? You're not being impulsive. You're not being impatient. You're not being aggressive anymore, Taurus. Because you have risen. You have risen over that mountain, honey. That's why you closed that chapter and you open up a chapter for this Aquarius or a person that has Aquarius placements. You tired of the riff and raff. You tired of the aggressiveness. I feel like either you're 37 years old, you'll be 37 this year, or the year 73 is significant. I see arms. Your arms are open. You are a star. You see. You are. Okay? It says Sage. So maybe Taurus, you have Sagittarius placements, or you are a Sagittarius with Taurus placements. I feel like you got a little bit of everything. You got a little bit of Aries. You got a little bit of Taurus. You got a little bit of Sagittarius. Maybe you're a Sagittarius with Aries and Taurus placements. Or your Aquarius has Taurus placements. Hey, it could be anything, baby. But it's good. We know that. Somebody want to be with a Sagittarius. A Taurus wants to be with a Sagittarius. They want to have kids with you. They want to build wisdom with you. They feel wise when they know that you're wise. They want longevity with you. No negativity. Longevity. The number 56 or the year 65 might be significant. You need to get you some sage. Maybe you're worried about your age and having kids. Or maybe a Sagittarius is worried about their age and being fertile. But they don't have to worry about that. They don't have to worry about that. You're just fine. You're just fine. And if this is how they feel, then I feel like Taurus, you need to make them feel, or not even make them feel, just reassure them that that doesn't matter. You can still be fertile. You're still, it's fine. But you know, I feel like the Sagittarius wants kids. I feel like they want longevity with either you. It says lavender. Okay? Okay, in your channel notes, it says purple. Come on now, y'all. Imaginative, creative. Okay? You are imaginative. You are creative. The number 35 or the number 53 might be significant. You have came to the end of something. You've ended something. You feel vindicated. I see Valerie. Okay, we're going into the Peppermint Deck. It is a red and white card deck. The white indicates new. The red indicates present or old love. First card is white. It says, let's stay in. So someone wants to stay in with you. Someone wants to stay in with you. Private getaway, all day, all night. Get away. Okay? Absolutely. Someone old or present is saying, lay your head on my chest. Someone old is saying, tight and right. Someone new is saying, morning love. I was channeling all day, all night. Staying in. They want to stay in with you all day, all night. They want it to be private. They want to gaze into your eyes. They want to watch the sun go up. They want to watch the sun come down. They want to watch you. They want to look into your eyes under the moon. They want to make love. They love you. No more mourning. Because you're going to be in love with them. Once they come, baby, ain't no more mourning. And it says, do you want more kids? Come on, y'all. I just said right here, fertility. Somebody worried about the age and not being fertile. You ain't got to worry about that. Do you want more kids? Yes, you do. Okay? That answer is within yourself. Okay? They want to know if you want to have kids. Because they want longevity. They want kids. They want to know. I think your answer is yes. I don't want to channel my emotions. I don't want to make it seem like someone's asking me, but I'm saying yes. Yes. Yes to love. Yes to mourning. Love. Yes to staying in. Yes to more kids. Yes to kids, period. Yes to wanting more. They feel like you just want to do you. And that you don't want more kids. That's what this new person feels. That you want to just do you. You don't want more kids. But I don't think that that's true, Taurus. And that situation or that answer comes from within, and that only you can figure that out. Okay? I love you so much, Taurus.
Ambition is the path to success. Persistence is the vehicle you arrive in. Bill Bradley.